Hi guys, this is Maloni Kamdar from Real Life Trading India, and I wanted to go over a few tickers from the Indian market as well as the American market that I thought were really interesting and could have a really good potential for your trading day. So let's get started. Here is the S&P 500 for the American market. By the way, guys, what a day. We woke up to a massive drop, and then the rest of the day we saw massive selling. This candle that you see came towards the end of the day. Um, so yeah, it was a pretty exciting and entertaining day. Real Life Trading Channel took a couple of day trades in the official day trading room, and those were quite a bit of fun. So let's get started. All right, the S&P 500. Let's go on the daily chart. Clearly we had this massive drop, the RSI is low. We do have this gap open on the 65-minute chart. And so my plan for tomorrow is for it to go retest the top, the bottom of the gap, and then maybe have a potential rollover. If we show strength over here and maybe fill the gap, then I would look to trade it bullish. Maybe do something like this, maybe retest the bottom and then go on the top and then use this gap on the bottom as a support level. Um, I do like it in the bearish direction, however, more than the bullish direction. So I will look to set up a bear trade around this level right here if we show weakness. Um, the RSI is really, really low, and hopefully we do adjust it with it trading up and then maybe rolling over. Next on the list is Tesla. Tesla happens to be one of my favorite tickers of all time frames. So let's look at that one. This one had a massive drop as well. I mean, everything today in general in the US market looked pretty much the same. Um, but this one on the 30-minute chart, I thought was pretty interesting. Um, I do see a little inverse head and shoulders forming. The RSI is kind of low. So if we take out, let's see if I could do a line right here. If we take out this level right here, I wouldn't be afraid, or if we gapped up above it, I wouldn't be afraid to take a bullish trade on Tesla. Um, so my plan for tomorrow on Tesla is for hopefully it gaps up above the 733.55 level and then goes up all the way to 741, maybe uses this gap as resistance and then comes back. But I will primarily look to trade Tesla in bullish direction tomorrow. Another ticker that I found that was very interesting from the Indian market was um, biocon. And let's go to the daily on it. I thought it had the perfect evening star reversal. And if we broke this trend line, so for example, if you guys opened below this trend line um, at open, I would expect it to maybe pull up to this trend line, use that as resistance, and then roll over. So that could be a really cool bear trade. And really think of this, guys. Think of all the bulls that are trapped over here. Think of this bullish candle. The bear volume in here is really, really good. So I really, truly like this trade as a bear trade for sure. Another ticker, um, the head and shoulders on the 65-minute here. I also found this head and shoulder level on the 65-minute that I thought was interesting. So maybe if we broke this level, if we came back and retested it and then broke it down, then that could be a really cool bear trade as well. So please watch out for this head and shoulders on the 65-minute. Plus we have this gap up on top, which could always act as resistance. So if things took off in the bullish direction, do keep in mind that this gap up on the top exists and that could act as resistance. But I like Biocon on the bear side so much more than the bull side. This one was mindtree, and I love this consolidation. over here. So I love that the daily RSI is so high on it. Um, we had this little indecisive candle, and then we have this inverted hammer. So now, if we were to take out this level on Mindtree, I would I would definitely look to short it to this trend line. Um, from here on, it could definitely bounce. I'm not sure if it would break that trend line or not, but that's not our job. Our job is to just short it from here to down to the trend line. So look for this guy in the bearish direction as well. Another fun one I found was Bharat Electronics. And this one I particularly loved because of this inside candle break, this hammer, all the bulls that are trapped, this big bull volume candle um, right over here. And we are about to take all of that out. So if this hammer level breaks on Bharat Electronics, BEL, look to short it down to maybe this level of support right here for this candle. So maybe like 194, 195 could be a good target. And your stop up above over here. That's a great risk to reward, guys. Um, Another cool one, this one is my personal favorite. I am looking to short this in the bearish direction, of course. And the Indigo Airlines, I believe it's the airlines because it says Interglobe Aviation. You guys have to keep in mind, I haven't been to India in a really long time due to COVID. I do have family there, but I am not very familiar with the Indian tickers um, just as yet. So please bear with me as I get familiar with that. I am Indian, by the way. I am from Gujarat. My family lives in Ahmedabad. I just haven't been able to visit them in a really long time, and I haven't been to India for a long-term stay in a really long time too. So please bear with me as I'm trying to learn the Indian tickers as well. But the indigo ticker, I really truly love it. If we take out this inside candle to the bear side, I like that as a bear trade to maybe 2095 level if we take it out to the bull side, because truly guys, this is massive bull volume, so I don't think anything drastic is going to happen. But for a day trade, this could be a really fun one. If we opened up with weakness and we took out this candle immediately, the low of this candle immediately, please look to short it in towards the 2095 target. If we break out in the bullish direction immediately at open, then look for a bull trade on it. I do like the really high RSI on it for a bear trade. Let's look at the 65-minute chart and see what we see. Okay, all right. The 65-minute chart doesn't really tell you much right now, but if we took out this level could be a pretty cool one. So if we took out this level right here of consolidation, then it could potentially be a little head and shoulders kind of level. And maybe we look to short it below this level down to 2195. um, sorry, 2095. But yeah, these are my thoughts on some of the Indian and American tickers. If you have any specific requests and you'd like me to go over any other tickers, please do let me know. Reach out to us on Real Life Trading India and on Twitter at DaisyChartsRLT. I would love to help you guys out with anything really. I just want to teach you guys the power of trading. Until then, I hope everybody has a great trading day. Good luck trading tomorrow.